Alright, welcome back to Dankscore Traders Hub, and now we are back for the BTC analysis like I promised you guys. So let's get into it. BTC, here we go. Alright, so we last saw BTC. I believe you guys were able to follow this up, this analysis. We last saw this, I think, like a week ago when we last analyzed BTC. I think it was a Friday when we last analyzed BTC. But then clearly it has followed the analysis properly, as you can as well see that it kept within that consolidation zone, and then when it reached that remember that level, we wanted to get, it's a daily fair value gap, we wanted to get sales from there, but it did not reach actually to the 50% of that fair value gap on the daily, but clearly we see that sales began. But now this tells us that price is likely to go back up there, or to come here and then go up there and grab that liquidity. It cannot leave it before it is mitigated. It cannot just leave it. So two things I can anticipate here: the price is likely to reach this TP level and then head back into the buys to look for that liquidity. But let's confirm that. Let's try to see on a different perspective if it is viable. Yeah, according to H1 we should be looking for buys, same as H4 we should be looking for buys. Yeah, so apparently this week we saw price getting to as low as 106k almost. I think 106k. Let me get to see the price. Let me look for the price thing. Where did I put it? I don't see it, the price thing. So I don't know where I put the price thing. text label, text. What I need is the arrow. I don't see it. I don't see what I need. I don't see what I need, but I can get it from here. We get objects, then tools. Is it tools? No, insert objects. Then all I need is this is what I need. Yes, left price. Let's go with the right price. So if I place it right here, I will see clearly the price came to 106k. 106k. Yeah, that's where price actually reached. So apparently we know that, but price is likely to come back again according to H1. Why would it come back? It's actually going to be confirming M15 and M30. Hopefully, yes, M30 and M15. It's gonna cause price to get back down, but there's what I've just seen now here. This structure here is quite contradicting with what we think may happen. This right here, this structure right here normally follows the continuation, actually follows this continuation of the previous trend, this kind of a structure right here. So in as much as we want sales according to M15 to probably first reach here, down below here, we may not see it because this kind of structure, or that we're seeing on M15, it normally breaks continuing with the previous trend, which will be that as our first TP. But also there's this second TP, that will be the second TP right about there, and that TP will be bringing us where? Let's go to H4, actually H1. It will be bringing us to that OB, and then hopefully from there, then probably we can see the sell. Probably we can see the sell from there to come all the way right here. So it still quite has some long way to go. Let's go to H1. I mean M15 is overbought, meaning sellers are trying to get into shape, but either way I believe we will continue with buys according to what we've seen on that kind of a structure. So the buys will continue to reach all the way up there, and then later we come in with, in fact let me delete, okay, that will be our first TP, so let me leave it. So this is what I'll be anticipating. Then a buy here, then a sell down below according to H1. Once it reaches the TP that we need, the TP that we probably need, it may not come back, it may come back. So we are just going to follow what we had already according to this previous analysis. And now if we go to H4, now wait a minute, I may do that when it is following this analysis. Yeah, so if it is following this TP level, then I think it may not come back. So that's why I told you it may not. From this move right here to there, it may not come back, because clearly you see it hit the TP level right there on that level. Now this other one that we are seeing is this, is the second TP that we are looking for, this kind of a move right there. This may not come through, So that's why buyers are likely to continue. But then according to H1, price is likely to reverse back to one of these levels, either here or give us a fake breakout and then give us a push all the way to go to that fair value gap and grab it, or to actually continue, because currently H1 and H4 all we need are buys. Same as I think daily time frame. Let's see daily time frame. Yes, even daily time frame. So we may not see a pullback, we may not see this so much pullback all the way there. We may actually see it probably around there. Yeah, probably around there. Then we come in with the buy move that we need. So for now, I would say, let me delete that. We know that we have a first TP and second TP, but now I've retained the first TP, the second TP. All we now have to wait for is an entry for the buys to take us all the way up there. So are you one of those that trade BTC? You are in luck. You may trade it today, but remember that there's when it does a manipulation move like this, and then it gives you the entry later. You have to remember that. So if at all it does that, then know that you have what? Know that you have an opportunity to make your entry around here. All right, I think that's it. Let's do the recap and we call it a day. All right, so the previous let's now do the recap. Sorry, apologies to that. This, I changed the date to this very offer. Apologies to that, because I had made a mistake with the dates. So please remember the date. The end of the offer is on 3rd, which is Monday, next week Monday. So if you can, and if you are willing to learn everything that I know about trading, then this is your offer, or you share it with anyone that you want to access this kind of an offer. All right, so let's do the recap. I want also to put this out that every day, Monday to Friday, we're always here analyzing other assets like Crash 500. We've already seen it. Those who were here in the morning, you got to realize that we already had those analysis. We know what to do, what to anticipate in the market. Actually, on Crash 500, it has given us the pullback, but not that enough. So I was not able to make the entry there. Boom 500, however, this one has given us, is almost reaching where we want it. It gave us this and we made an entry, but also we are likely to make another entry here because we are looking for buys. I think we are clear to make an entry right here. I think we are. Let me first confirm this. Yeah, let me first confirm that. I think we are clear for that buy entry. So I'm gonna enter buys there. Yeah, I'm gonna enter buys there, and that's it. So we have entered buys on this asset. Boom, 1,000. We will be looking for more of these buys. So that's what we analyze every day. Boom 500, we also saw that. Boom V25s, V75, jump 50. All these assets we analyze every day, Monday to Friday. but also we also analyze gold. Even gold is there, we've analyzed it. We know we already have the anticipation of how the market is likely to go. So if you missed this analysis, please go back to the channel after this session. Go and look for episode 241, I believe, or 42, I don't remember, but I think 42. Yeah, you'll be able to get the analysis of today, and even the rest of the other episodes are there. So yeah, we analyze gold is the only forex asset that we analyze. The rest of the other assets are synthetic indices. But then on Fridays like this and Tuesdays, we analyze BTC. So BTC is like that, and we've already analyzed it. So let's do the recap of it and get to know what is going to be anticipated. Remember, if you've never subscribed, you can subscribe now. And of course, if you like the contents of this channel, please go ahead and give us that thumbs up. It will help the channel to keep growing and, you know, pushing us to create more and keep doing what we're doing every day here on this channel. All right, so let's do a recap of BTC. I told you previous weeks we saw this kind of a move, so we already knew that this sell move was going to happen. So it happened, and apparently the first TP was hit. This was the first TP right here, like this. That was the first TP right there. You can see it was hit. Now the second TP is what we had left there, but it is likely not to reach it according to this support level that we have. So according to H1, we have already started buys. So whatever that is happening in the buys, I mean on H1, it is showing us continuation of buys. And to have this more solid, we've seen the structure that the market has given us right there. This is a rising wedge, but it is rising when the market is actually coming from an uptrend kind of move. It is giving us higher highs and higher lows, so it is in an uptrend, and it has given us a rising wedge. This only signifies continuation of the previous trend. So apparently this is what we are anticipating. We may get a fake breakout shortly and then we continue with buys, but overall we are likely to continue with buys. I'm not going to be focusing on any sales. I'm going to be waiting for buy opportunities on BTC. I think that's it. I hope you guys had a great time with me. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and of course don't forget to if you want the exact account or the broker that I use who gives all these advantages to trade BTC, forex and synthetics in the same very account, then check the link in the description below and you'll be able to see where I say the broker that I use, and you'll be able to get yourself an account. Yeah, then the rest, if you want to join our channel, please go ahead and join the channel or the WhatsApp channel. It's right there, the link is there. But also if you want to ask any questions or do whatever, the number is on that very poster that you're seeing on your screen. If you have any queries about the course, queries about the VIP signals platform, because it is also there, it is $15 per month if you want to join it. So if you have all those queries, please go ahead and let's WhatsApp me, and I'll be able to respond to all those queries that you have. Otherwise, let me wish you guys a good day. Thank you, Desmond, for coming around, for always being around, and yeah, it gives me energy to keep pushing actually. Thank you guys, see you next week. Bye bye. you.